Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video tutorial where we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of analyzing social media data using Java. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a seasoned developer, this tutorial will equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to harness the power of social media data. First, let's start with a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this tutorial. We'll go through 1. Setting up our Java development environment. 2. Understanding the APIs available to fetch social media data. 3. Fetching sample data from Twitter using the Twitter API. 4. Parsing the JSON response from the API. 5. Analyzing the data to draw insights. 6. Visualizing the results using a Java library. Now that we have an agenda, let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your Java development environment. To analyze social media data with Java, we need a robust development setup. You'll need to have the following installed: JDK 11 or later, an IDE such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, and Maven for managing dependencies. Let's ensure Java is installed correctly by opening a terminal and typing the following command to check the version. If you see the version details, you're good to go. Next, we need to set up a Maven project. In your IDE, create a new Maven project and name it Social Media Analyzer. In the pom.xml file, we will add dependencies for the Twitter API and JSON processing. Here are the dependencies we will need. Once you've added those dependencies, refresh your project to download them. Step 2. Understanding the APIs available to fetch social media data. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram provide APIs to access data. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Twitter API because it offers accessible data for tweets, retweets, and user profiles. To interact with the Twitter API, you'll need to create a Twitter developer account and set up a project to obtain your API keys. Once you've set up your project, you'll receive keys for API key, API secret key, and bearer token. Keep these keys secure as they will be used for authentication when making requests to the Twitter API. Step 3. Fetching sample data from Twitter using the Twitter API. Now, let's write some code to fetch tweets based on a specific hashtag. Create a new Java class named Twitter Analyzer. In the Twitter Analyzer class, we'll set up our authentication using the Twitter4j library. This code initializes the Twitter factory with our credentials, and then it fetches tweets containing a specific hashtag. Make sure to replace your_API_AE, your_API_secret, your_access_token, and your_access_secret with the keys you obtained from the Twitter developer portal. Next, let's run this class to fetch and display tweets. Upon running the program, you will see tweets displayed in your console output. This demonstrates how we can easily pull data from Twitter using their API. Step 4. Parsing the JSON response from the API. Now that we have the raw tweets displayed, let's parse the tweet data more effectively, focusing on key attributes such as tweet text, creation date, and user information. You can enhance your tweet fetching code to extract this information using the status object. This will give you a clearer output showcasing the user's screen name, the tweet creation date, and the actual tweet text. Step 5. Analyzing the data to draw insights. Now that we can retrieve and parse tweets, let's perform simple analysis. For instance, we could analyze the sentiment of the fetched tweets. To do this, we can use a library like Stanford Core NLP to perform sentiment analysis. This code snippet annotates each tweet and retrieves the sentiment classification such as positive, negative, or neutral. First, ensure you have the Stanford Core NLP dependency in your Maven project. Add this to your pom.xml. Run your analysis and observe the sentiments of the tweets. This is a great way to understand public sentiment towards a topic over social media. Step 6. Visualizing the results using a Java library. Finally, to make our findings more intuitive, we can visualize our data. One popular Java library for visualization is JFreeChart. If you want to visualize sentiments, you could create a pie chart that represents the distribution of sentiments from the analyzed tweets. In this snippet, you create a pie chart to visualize the sentiments. You will need to update your pom.xml to include JFreeChart. Once you run your full application, you'll see a window pop up showing the sentiment distribution in your data. This is a powerful way to communicate the results of your analysis. And there you have it. We've covered how to set up a Java environment, interact with the Twitter API, parse JSON responses, perform sentiment analysis, and even visualize the results. Be sure to explore further by experimenting with different hashtags, analyzing user information, or even processing data from different social media platforms. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Until next time, keep coding and keep analyzing.